So we're here with Natalia Rogozina, and she's the owner and the founder of the company Bouillon, and the company is the trademark Bouillon, and the company produces bouillons, but most importantly the company produces Demi-Glace products, and these are the natural ones, and these are products that are used mainly in HoReCa as a base for sauces, right? And her company produces sauces based on beef, chicken, mushrooms and shrimps.
This is all classical cuisine, European cuisine. So all the recipes are well known. So we just took the recipes and made our own products, packed it and proposed to the restaurants in Ukraine.
Excellent.
Before war.
So Natalia told me that well, she's been doing this since 2017. She survived COVID, the first COVID. She survived the second COVID. The restaurant business survived. And you can see she's a busy lady, and but now of course there's the war. They stopped producing when the war started, but now we
renovated in June.
You renovated in June?
We started again in June. We started from zero, from scratch, and now we work as we were trying to work as we worked before the war. So we have in our assortment not all the products that we did before war, but 50-70%, and this, mainly we work for demand. So if we have an order for products, we cook it, sell it, and then we wait for the next order.
And in Ukraine you have several, let's say, continuous clients, right?
Yes, we do have continuous clients now for broth, and we have continuous clients for Demi-Glace Sauce, because unfortunately the restaurant business now in Ukraine dropped down enormously.
I understand. And Natalia's business is a great example of the type of business we would like to help with Lifeline Ukraine, because it's a micro business, but it's a business that employs six people. And the reason why Natalia and I started to talk is that she's trying to find market access to the EU markets. And what we're going to do, we're going to try to help her with this, starting with the Netherlands. We will try to find distributors in the HoReCa sector. We will set up meetings at a certain point of time. When we have enough interested parties, Natalia will come to the Netherlands, and we'll join her to these meetings to see if we can get.
We will present our products.
Yeah, and she will bring samples, and we hope that this way we can help open the EU market. So now we're going to very briefly show how it looks inside. And we will start with the refrigerator with the product, because then actually you can see what the product is about. And this is just a fridge. I don't know how it opens. It opens like this. And this, Natalia, this is the product.
The sauce that
That's
we
the
want
sauce.
to propose to HoReCa. This is the classical beef Demi-Glace sauce. As I told, we didn't invent it. We just made a nice recipe. And this recipe was very popular in Ukraine before war.
Okay.
We have very many clients, and we sent this sauce all over Ukraine.
And it's like a jelly, right? It's like a jelly.
Yeah. It's a classical demi-glace, nothing special, nothing. But this is very classical. But why we started to do it? Because it took 48 hours on the restaurant kitchen to produce it.
And culinary knowledge, right? It's a craft project.
It's a craft project. It's a craft product, but it is very, very good sample of outsourcing for the restaurant.
Perfect.
Because if you have a very small kitchen and you have many seats in the restaurant, to produce the sauce like this is quite complicated and long and costable. Because, for example, in a restaurant they have more expensive equipment that we have. Here we have more simple equipment, but it's enough to cook to cook the demi-glace.
Excellent.
And the demi-glace as a classical sauce from French cuisine is very popular everywhere.
And in what kind of sauces is it used?
It's pepper sauce, it's onion soup, it's other sauces, gravy, it's everything.
So this is the type of thing we're eating when we go to a restaurant, but we don't know about it.
Yes, we don't know about it. I was in Germany and in other countries, and when I went to the nice restaurant and I saw the brown sauce in my plate, I asked sometimes the chef, what is this? Is it demi-glace? They said yes, and they cook it inside. Because in the market, in such market as Europe, they need to cook it inside restaurant or buy a powder, Knorr, which is chemical powder.
Well, and we don't want to eat chemical powders. And this is actually, if you would export it, you would do it in a frozen form, right?
In a frozen form. It will be more convenient and the shelf life will be longer.
Half a year, right?
Half a year.
Okay.
Half a year.
Let's have a quick look
Yeah.
at how it is.
These are our neighbors. They do sausages. Okay, here we have some small. The general square meters, about 100 square meters. This is actually our equipment, cooking equipment. It is quite simple, and it shouldn't be more
complex than this.
Complex and expensive. Of course, now we cook in big pans, so I don't know how it is.
Yeah.
But we have, you see, at the end of the room, we have the cooking machine, the cooking. I don't know what is
Okay, excellent.
Cooking.
Yeah, it's like a big cooking machine.
It's a big cooker machine, yes.
All right.
The bigger cooker machine you have, the bigger quantity of the broth.
And there in the back you have some refrigerators.
Some refrigerators, and it is a small shelf with some things. And we have a refrigerator room, but I will not show it because we need to go through the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm not allowed.
Let's not go.
I'm not allowed because I'm dirty. All right. Well, thank you very much, Natalia. It was great to see this. So our aim is to make sure that we create market access to the EU markets through the Netherlands together with Natalia.
Yeah, we strongly believe that this product may work in the market because it is very interesting, and as we have a good experience here in Ukraine, so why not for other HoReCa and other markets?
Fantastic. Let's go for it. We're going to work together.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much.